Hey everyone, we are going to learn how to create a pie chart in Google Sheets. You simply need to select data. I am selecting these 4 rows and then go to Insert. Select Chart and then chart in the chart type select pie chart. Here is the pie chart. There are 3 types of pie charts. I am selecting this. So the pie chart has been created. Now we are going to add label to this pie chart. Simply select the range. Like I'm going to select this range. These are names of individuals who have certain percentage of profit. So there are the labels, and as these are same names, so I need only 2 pies here. So click aggregate. Jacob have 45% and Ben has 54% profit. So here we go. Click cross. Now if you want to customize the chart, go to 3 dots and edit the chart. Go to customize. You can change chart style, pie chart, in colors, and go to pie chart, and you have other settings as well. You can change these as you might like. So thank you so much for watching the video.